Keep me where the stars around. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this eye look. So if you want to know how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm taking the Morphe 35F palette and a blending brush, and I'm just taking the third shade on the bottom row and blending that onto my crease and my lid as a transition shade. Then I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm grabbing another shade from that palette and blending that into my crease and up towards my brow bone. Then I'm taking the Beauty Glazed and Pressed You palette and I'm grabbing another red tone shade and adding that to my crease and blending that up towards my brow as well. So I'm building these shadows. And then I'm taking another red shade from that palette and doing the same thing. And I'm taking a flat brush and just grabbing a dark brown from that palette as well, and I'm packing that on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm taking another blending brush and I'm just going to blend that all over the lid and into my crease and kind of blend that with the red as well. Then I'm taking a black shade from the Impressed You palette and just packing that on as well and blending it out. Yep, there was something catchy playing, but I'm not really sure what it was. I don't remember. Alright, blending, blending, blending. Alright, now I'm just taking a little more red and adding that to the top just to blend everything together better. Now is the fun part. So I'm taking some concealer. That was the CoverGirl concealer. I'm blanking on the name, but I can link it in the description. So I'm just doing the cut crease now with that concealer. We're not going to go all the way to the end of the eye, but almost. We want to leave the top part where the crease is slightly longer than the rest. Like I see I'm creating a line there. So that is basically my guide of where I'm going to put the glitter line. Now I'm spraying my brush with some setting spray and adding a shimmer shade from the Impressed You palette. Spraying your brush just makes the color show up more vibrant. Don't know what I was doing there. Then I'm taking a kind of light brown shimmer shade and adding that to blend everything together. And now comes the glitter, so I'm taking a kind of liner brush and just taking a little tiny bit of that Stila Glitter and Glow, that was the shade Bronze Bell, and just adding that onto where I left my guideline. You don't want to take too much at a time. And then I'm just cleaning up any mistake and making the sharp line for when I do my winged liner. That's just my guide for my winged liner. I find it helpful to clean up the shadow. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner and just creating my wing. I'm making a pretty bold wing here. I like to start out by making the wings first. That's just how I do it. And then I create the line on my lid and connect them. Alright, and now I'm going to clean up any mistakes that I made. So I'm just going back in with that concealer. Now I'm just curling my lashes to prep them for mascara. I'm using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. And then I'm taking some cocoa lashes. This is the style Amore. Now I added the glue to those lashes. I used duo glue, and I'm just waiting for them to dry. 30 seconds. Now I'm applying it. It's basically like performing surgery. It's the most intense part. Alright, we're applying the other eye now. And the lashes are on. Now I'm just adding some of that Lash Sensational Mascara to blend my natural lashes to the fake lashes. And now I'm adding all of the same eyeshadows that I just used onto my lower lash line. So I'm basically just doing that blending every shade together. And then I'm taking that dark brown and adding that to my lower lash line, and I'm blending that out with the red. Then I'm taking a CoverGirl pencil liner and just putting that on my waterline. And my eyes were kind of burning and watering. And now I'm taking the Maybelline, what was that? I can't even remember, but I will link that in the description as well. But this mascara is so great on my lower lashes. It just makes them look so long and full. Alright, and now I'm adding my highlight to my brow bone and my inner corner. This was from the Morphe palette, one of the shades. There's a few highlighting shades in that palette, and they just look amazing. And that is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give me any, ideas of what I should do next. And I have a few pictures and another video coming up of the final look, just so you guys can see what it looks like in real time. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope you enjoy.